Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to run an ad spend report from the Drinks AdWatch portfolio. So from Drinks Central, if you can click on the red tab, this will take you through to the Ubiquity homepage where you need to enter your username and password. Now in most instances, your username is your email address and your password has been assigned to you by the Drinks Association. The first thing that you need to do is select the correct portfolio. Now in this instance, we're going to click the drop down box and we're doing a Drinks AdWatch search. So we need to select that particular portfolio site. There are two tabs at the top of the screen. There is a creative tab, and that, as it indicates, will just show you the creative with no data. The media spend tracking is the report that 90% of the time is what you're wanting to run. So if you can just click on that, this will bring you up a list of search samples for you. In this instance, we're going to run a schedule report. Just have a look through those when you can and see which is most appropriate for the type of search you're after. This takes us back to the page when we first logged in. As you can see, the schedule report is now being selected. The date range defaults to the previous 2 weeks, so from today's date back for 2 weeks, which is working fine for this particular example. You can of course change that if you so wish. Now what I'm going to run for you today is a drink group search. So if we just scroll, have a look down here, click on the find next to that group, select beer, and now that is over here in our drink group, our search summary. What I'm going to do in this instance as well is select certain publications. So again, channel publications, click find. This will bring up all the publications that are monitored for the Drinks Association by Ubiquity. In this instance, we're just going to scroll down and I'm going to select the Sydney Morning Herald, the Age and the Mercury. So these are the only publications that will reflect in my search. Click select and here's my search summary. It's a schedule report last 2 weeks for those 3 publications for the drink group beer. Just have a look down there at the green tab, run search, click on that. And here are our results. We had 129 events found, which you can see by the top of the page here. If we just go over and click export, always select the ad tracking data option, click on export, open your spreadsheet, and here are the results. You can see the publications here that we selected. It were the Hobart Mercury, the Sydney Morning Herald and the Age. What we've got along here is the supplier, the major and sub-brands, the price points and the container size. It's a wealth of information, this spreadsheet. Very, very useful to you, I'm sure. What you can do also here is click on the hyperlink to the particular ad, which is very useful as well. You can enlarge that just to make sure that all the information is correct and there as you need. That's the AdWatch media spend tracking report shown for you there. If you have any other questions or would like to have a look a little bit further into what's available to you, please refer to the Drinks user guides on the Drinks Central website under Drinks Services.